Hi, welcome to Cochapi. Today we're going to see the demo for credit card fraud protections app all in one bank using Android project. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, explain the Android SRC. Android Studio build folder for Android SRC. Click and open it. Next, we can click the www files. All source codes are there. If you want to view the JS folder, you can click JS folder. You can view the JS files. Next, go to the document. You can click a document. You can view all the document details. If you want to abstract and PPT, free download in our websites. You can view the Android document. PHP documents are there available. You can click the Android document, click and open it. This is for the Android document. There are 12 or 13 chapters are available in the document. Start with abstract and end with codings. There are many chapters are there available. This is for the abstract. Next, go to the objectives. Our system streamlines to enter the process, allowing user to register complaint against the fraudulent transactions, which will be handled by dedicated bank officials. Experience a new level convenience and security with credit card fraud complaint and protections applications. There are 8 or 9 UML diagrams are there available in the document. You go to view the output screenshot, you can click output screenshot. You can Android document, you can view the Android screenshot. If you want to view the PHP document, you can view the PHP. Next, you can go to the coding. This is for the coding. Next, open the screenshot. You can view the Android screenshot, PHP screenshots are available. Next, go to the web folders. You can view all source codes are there. This is for the PHP files. Next, this is for the database storage SQL files. This is for the local APK. This is for the readme files. You can view all the details in the readme files. A database name, credential details. You can view all the details in the readme files. These are the delivery files. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server. MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. First, import the Android SRC files. Once imported, you can view all files out there. You can view the all source code in a www files. Click and open it. If you want to view the JS files, you can enter into the JS folders and open it. Below minimize button, you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open credit card app. First, enter into the admin login. Enter the admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Admin will manage the models like category, bad bank, add officers. First, go to the add bank. Only enter into brand name. Only enter with the dummy brand name. For example, AAA or BBB, enter in this type only. Once enter, you can view the bank list. Now come back to the home page. Next, you can click the category. What are the categories are there? For example, fraud, you can transaction fees, cancellations amount. You can view all the details. If you want to enter the new category, enter it and create it. Next, go to the officer. If you want to create a new officer, enter the officer details like name, email, password. Enter all the details. First, enter the name, officer name. Next, enter the email ID and password. Enter all the details. You can choose a bank, what type of bank. You can click submit it. Only enter the password in 8-digit numbers. Created successfully. What are the creates? You can go to the view officers. You can view all the details. If you want to update or if you want to delete options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next, click the all status. What are the status count? You can view the status count. For example, pending, what members are pending, complaint pendings, on progress. You can view all the calculate wise. You can view it. Now come back to the home page. Click the complaints. You can view all reports or you can view it. Admin will all reports are the view it. If you want to choose like bank wise, you can easily find the details. You can name bank name, phone, category wise, category name, anything you can view it. Now log out the admin models. Let's move the user register. First, go to the register, click register. If you want to create a new user, enter the user details like name, email, password, enter all the details. Go to the user login, enter user email ID and password. Click login, login successful. User will manage the models like create complaint, my complaint. First, go to the create complaint. Enter the complaint details. First, you can choose a bank name. What are the banks are available? You can choose it. Next, you can choose a complaint details. What the complaint? You can anything. You can choose it. Enter the complaint title and complaint descriptions. Click submit it. Created successfully. What are the complaint creates? You can view the my complaint details. The status are now pending. Only officer will manage in the status. You can view all the details. If you want to give the rating, you can click rating. You can enter the rating details. You can click submit it. Submitted successfully. Next, go to the my profile. You can view the profile details. If you want to edit options are there. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the user models. Next, move the officer login. Enter into officer email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can view the complaints. You can click complaints. What are the complaints are there? What are the in your bank? What are the complaints are there? Okay. You can view all the details, titles, categories, complaint. You can status are now update. You can update the status if you want to status now pendings, once on progress or completed, reject, anything you can choose it. You can update it. If you want to rectify the complaint, you can update the completed status or uploaded. Okay, now come back to the home page, click my profile. You can view the profile details. If you want to edit options are there. Now log out the officer models. Let's move the user logins. Enter user email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can click the my complaint. You can view the complaint details. What are the complete status are now completed. What are the date you can created the completed, you can automatically, date was automatically set up. Now log out the user models. Let's move the admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Next you can click the complaint. What are the complaints you created the user side, you can update the status, you can view all the details. What are the categories, what are the titles are there. Next you can enter the complaint, what the complaints are there. What are the raised the date complaint was raised the date, you can automatically set up the status are now completed. While status you updated, you can automatically close the date, what date you can close it, you can automatically allocated. What are the ratings or that comment, you can view all the details in admin panels. If you want to export the Excel sheet, you can export it. If you want to search like status wise, easily find the details. Now log out the admin models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.